here at the newest Tint World location in Brookfield, Connecticut. The store is located on the main road going through Brookfield, just down the road from Danbury, Connecticut. At today's grand opening celebration, we have multiple food trucks. We had a car show with plenty of vehicles. We have a few vendors that came out to support us, and we also have the Humane Society.
My name is Jamil Payne. I'm a sales associate and my dad owns the shop. We built the garages, the bathrooms, we painted all the walls, the lighting was done.
Jamil renovated the building from the ground up. He has the latest flooring, displays, and lighting. And the shop, we have the Swiss Trax flooring as well. The facility is spotless. It looks gorgeous in here. It's very inviting. It has all the latest technology in the bay and as well as on the showroom floor. The response by all the community has been fantastic.
They're like, wow, the shop is so nice.
People love the way it looks in here and they're really surprised at how beautiful it looks.
My favorite Tint World service is definitely the detailing. I like the final result of the cars, and it's like a satisfying type of feeling.
The staff here in Brookfield has extensive experience. There's a lot of drive-by traffic. We've had a lot of walk-ins and we're booking a lot of appointments for installation.
The products are very high quality. I use them myself. I've always liked cars, honestly. I've always found it interesting how they look, the bodies, how they sound. Like, they've always interested me, and I like working on them.
We want to congratulate Jamil and his family on opening his store, and we're looking forward to helping him grow his business in the future.